How to attract honeybees to an empty top bar hive. Honey purchased from a store can be costly and may not fit into your grocery budget. One back-to-basics option is to try your hand at raising honeybees yourself using a standard top bar hive in order to harvest their honey. Attract a swarm of honeybees into your empty top bar hive by utilizing a few basic apiology techniques that will enable the bees to locate your hive. Things you will need: lemongrass essential oil. Place the top bar hive in a location where honeybees frequent. Open the lid. Some lids open in one piece, while other top bar hives have a dual lid. Place a few drops of lemongrass essential oil on the inner surface of the hive. Lemongrass essential oil will draw honeybees and make them interested in establishing a new hive. Close the lid on the empty top bar hive, and allow the hive to remain undisturbed for a couple of weeks. Repeat the process as needed until a swarm of bees has taken up residence in the top bar hive. Tips: warnings. Attempt to establish a honeybee population in your top bar hive after you have identified a swarm in your area. Do not try to raise bees if you are allergic to bee stings. If you are stung by a honeybee and start to have difficulty breathing or have swelling of the face, lips or tongue, seek immediate medical attention.